Hi, my name is Andrew, and today it's part 2 of our fall cleanup. So, yesterday it was part 1, now it's part 2 of our fall cleanup. So today we're going to be getting rid of our peppers, our tomatoes, and some of our Swiss chard for my Margaret here. Here we are at the tomatoes and the peppers. We got to spray these. Now look at all this caterpillar damage. Sad. I mean, at least some of it's still good. This is our dinosaur kale, and this is our red Russian kale. Well, the red Russian kale isn't that bad. The kale will keep going into the winter, so we don't need to take that down. Kale likes the cold weather. So since we're getting rid of the tomatoes and the peppers, we need to pick all the stuff that we can before we take them down. And my brother William's gonna help us. Yes, you're gonna help us. There's so it's so cute.
This one's got like another pepper growing out of it.
But that just looks so long. There's a dent in the pepper. Ooh, it looks like that it got a bruise. But it's actually bluffing. Because remember the cherry red pepper? The other one, it was bluffing. That's what it's happening. It's turning purple. I'm whipping these tomatoes up. Okay, William, could you bring the wheelbarrow up to the other side, please?
Ow. Who's this?
Those roots
Turned into a tree. It's turned into wood.
Aww. Was this tiny pepper even noticed? Well, tree.
Yeah, we got.
Ooh. These are gonna go in our compost. Whoa.
You got that. Light work. Go on, light work. Boom.
Woo.
Oh, what dirt?
Man, could you help me? Oh, my butt hurts. What?
Here. Now pick it up. You pulled it out. Right, Andrew?
Got dirt on. Guys, isn't this a pretty big pile?
All for the compost.
All for the compost. The compost is gonna love all this. Ooh.
Oh, I'm just chopping on the chard. If I can find where the base is at.
Please don't come over here. Because I got a weapon. And I'm not afraid to use it. Guys, look at all of this. Well, this is a fly's dream. Even though that they already live here. Look at all of that. Hey guys, look at me. Aww. I got the pumpkin and all the yummy stuff. My brother Thomas is gonna love this carrot. He loves carrots. It's this color because we grew multi-colored carrots. We're picking beets too. I love them and they give you a lot of energy. Ooh, oh. This is bigger than I thought. William, look at this.
One fat looking carrot.
Yeah. Mama, you got another delivery. Yeah.
Aunt, you want to come kiss it?
So this is my parsley, the last of my parsley. I'm gonna bring it into my madre so she can hang it up to dry it. Parsley for you! So now we're just raking up the rest of the charred leaves that fell on the ground. William, it's not a giant spoon for the last time.
Last. What are you doing, William?
Guys, comment down below if you think he's crazy.
You got it.
There's a lot of stuff you need to do to clean up the garden for the fall. 3, 2, 1. So I'm just picking up some of these beans, pole beans for my mom. So we're gonna plant them where we're gonna open them up and we're gonna get the beans from inside. They look like this. So we're just gonna put them in there, and next year we're gonna use them to plant them for next year. Yeah. Guys, look how sad our garden looks. All the plants are gone. Now I can't even tell if it's a garden anymore. But we're getting ready for spring, and we're gonna be planting that garlic soon. So there's still a lot of stuff that we need to pick. There's probably gonna be a part 3, or if we're lucky, a part 4. I mean, you never know. So make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Hey, you guys. So yesterday, you all know that I gave my mom some peppers, onions, and tomatoes. And she made this yummy relish. So we're gonna put the recipe down below in the descriptions. So this is what it looks like. We got a lot more inside. So guys, make sure you look in the description so you can see how to make it. And bye.